On va continuer sur Continuous Random Variable, which is a part qu'on doit compléter sur median and quartiles. Alors, the median usually, if we have a probability density function with fx given like this, donc ce qu'on sait c'est usually the entire area under the curve is 1. Veut dire que total probability c'est 1. Now, how will I find the median? The median is the value. Donc, ça peut être n'importe où. Ça peut être là, ça peut être avant même. C'est la valeur où la probabilité va être la moitié. C'est-à-dire que la moitié de total probability. Donc, median. Et la moitié de total probability, c'est 1. Donc, ça va être 0.5. C'est-à-dire, la valeur de median, c'est 0.5 probability. We know that the probability is just the integral of this function. Donc, on va intégrer la fonction fx dx with respect to x, and then the value that we're going to take is going to be from our starting point, which is a, and we're going to start at m. We're going to stop at m, which is m is the median. Ça doit nous donner 0.5. This is the construction of the equation to get the median. For lower quartile, what will happen is it will be 1/4 of total probability, which is 0.25. For this one, the integral from a, which is our starting point, to the lower quartile, let's call it L, of fx dx should be equal to 0.25. For the upper quartile, it will be a to L, fx dx integral, not L, let's call it U, sorry, which should give you 0.75 because 3/4 of total probability. And then let's say if you have 60th percentile, then you're going to construct a function, a to x, let's call it x or t, of fx dx such that the probability should be 60th percentile, which is 0.6. You can get anything, you can get 45th percentile, it was 0.45, something like that. Donc la première partie, c'est juste pour reconstruire l'équation. Donc je vous donne un exemple. If you have fx equal to 1/8x, donc ça c'est, it's a straight line usually. If you want to sketch it, a straight line, we have values of x 0 and 4, and fx would be 0 and 0.5, 4 sur 8. Donc 0, 0, ça commence ici, et 4, 0.5, peut-être par là. Our graph is like this. Ça c'est fx equal to 1/8x. So we are looking for the median, which is somewhere a value like this, where the probability under the graph would be 0.5. I call the median m, which has already been given in the equation. I'm going to write integral from our minimum. Our minimum is 0 to m of fx dx should be giving me 0.5. Donc je vais intégrer 0 à m de 1 sur 8x dx equal to 0.5. 1 sur 8 x square sur 2 de 0 à m doit me donner 0.5. You solve this, you're going to get m square sur 8 fois 2, 16 est égal à 0.5. M square est égal à half times 16, which is equal to 8. And then you're going to get m equal to square root of 8. This would be our median value. For the interquartile range, you're going to integrate 0 to L of fx dx, give it value of 0.25. The next integration 0u fx dx should give you 0.75. The interquartile range would be equal to integral from 0 to u fx. The interquartile range will just be the value, the value of u minus L, u which you're going to get from this one and L from this one. That's about it for the median and interquartile range.